Hi there, welcome back to our channel where we explore all things gardening. And today's video, we will be discussing one of the most delicious fruit out there, pineapples. We will take you through the step by step process of how to start a pineapple, how pineapple grow, and how to plant them. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Starting a pineapple is surprisingly easy. All you need is a pineapple fruit and a few basic gardening tools. To begin, twist off the leafy top of the pineapple fruit, making sure that you include a small section of the flesh. Then remove any leaves at the bottom of the crown to expose the stem. Next, leave the crown to dry for a day or two. After that, it's ready to plant. Pineapples are a unique fruit as they grow on a plant called bromeliad. These plants typically take 2 to 3 years to mature, and they only produce fruit once. Pineapples are drought resistant and can grow up to 5 feet tall, with sharp and waxy leaves that can be quite prickly. Pineapples require warm weather and cannot tolerate frost. After 2 to 3 years, your pineapple plant should be mature enough to produce fruit. When the fruit appears, wait until it turns yellow or orange before harvesting. You can gently twist the fruit of the stem, or you can cut it off using a sharp knife. Pineapples can be eaten fresh, juiced, or even grilled. Everything you need to know about starting, growing, and harvesting your own pineapples. These delicious tropical fruit are not only a great addition to your diet but also have some unique health benefits. Pineapples are a great source of vitamin C, antioxidants, and enzymes that aid digestion. Plus, their sweet and tangy flavor makes them a great addition to any dish. So, what are you waiting for? Give growing your own pineapples a try and experience their unique taste and health benefits for yourself. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about pineapples. Remember, growing your own pineapple is not only rewarding but also incredibly fun. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening videos. Thanks for watching.